Point.
Yeah, be retired, right? So for those of you who joined the call, it's like I always think whenever I build something is how do I get back my time, right? During the refi boom, like, and I've told this story. So for those of you who are just like who have just jumped on, um, the refi boom was crazy because I also lost my processor at the time, right? Like my processor got this crazy gig
Oh,
where, and I'm like, oh, and then I hired a guy and he no showed, right? And it was like, okay, I'm the branch manager. I now also have to originate and then process everybody's loans because I'm the only one who knows how to do this stuff, right? And so I would originate from essentially 7 in the morning until 6. I'd eat dinner, kiss my kid and my wife for and say goodnight. And then I go
yes.
back into the home office and then I would process everybody's loans from about 7 o'clock until 2 in the morning. And it was just chaos, right? Like and I had so much missed business because we had zero systems in place. I then told my LOA, you are now the processor of the branch, and he became my processor and still is. Uh, but literally it's like we had zero systems in place. And that's how this whole I have to systematize my business came into place, right? And that's where everything that's been built was what do I do? I know what to do. I need it out inside of a system, right?